Hello and welcome to the How to Earn $1,000 a Month by Swing Trading Crypto series. In this video, we're going to talk about Kaspa, or ticker symbol KAS or KAS. So go ahead and smash the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. If you already subscribed to the channel, welcome back. Nothing I say in this video is financial advice, so please do your own research. I'm just simply sharing my experience and my path with you, and only invest what you can stand to lose or be stuck with holding a long period of time. And beware of the spam in the comments. It's happening a lot less, but still you might see someone asking for advice of how to move crypto from their wallet to an exchange, and they'll provide their security word key. Pay no mind to that, and never share your security key to your wallet unless you want to get rid of your crypto to anyone. Then the other type of spam is someone's going to start a conversation by saying, I'm new to trading, or I'm a newbie, and then someone else is going to come on, they're going to have a conversation, and eventually it's going to try to lead you to a user on Telegram or WhatsApp or some similar platform in order to scam you. So please be aware of those two types of comments and stay clear of them, and know that they're in no way affiliated with the channel. Right. So now, if you've mined, bought, sold, hold, or invested in any way in Caspa, or plan on doing more research or investing in the future, go ahead and put a hashtag KAS, K-A-S, in the comments. In this video, we're going to talk about the Caspa. We're going to go over the all-time high, what time frame that occurred, and what the all-time high was, and what may have caused it to reach those lengths. From there, we're going to look at the 23 days from June 21st to July 14th, see how it performed, and then we're going to pick out 5 of the top trading opportunities during that 23-day span. From there, we're also going to look at other smaller trade opportunities, if any exist, outside of the top 5. And then we're also going to use that top 5 to simulate trading $3,000 investment initially, and from the bottom, and then selling. And then from that, pulling all profits and initial investment and reinvesting $3,000 to see how close we'll be at making $1,000 a month in 23 out of the 30 days. So still with a week left of trading possible, we'll see what we can get with that amount of time with the actual numbers of Caspa over the last 23 days. Once we've done that, we're going to look at the tokenomics of Caspa, and we're going to look at the current price along with the market cap and other valuable information that will help us better pick when to buy and when to sell Caspa for swing trading. All right, so let's look at the all-time high for Caspa, and it occurred on February 20th, 2024, so Caspa is fairly new, and it came in just under 19 cents. All right, so that is, Caspa is fairly new, and once again, it is proof of work, it is mineable. So yeah, so just initially, it's hard to say. I know it was several zeros for a few months, and I believe that November 23rd is when it, kind of took off from less than a penny, and then it reaches all-time high eventually on February 20th. So at 0.189 or almost 19 cents. All right, so now let's look at the performance over the last 3 weeks for Caspa. And here, as you can see, we have the Caspa price from June 21st to July 14th, which is 23 days, and it reached its high here during this 3-week time frame of 9 cents here on July 11th, and then the low point was 6 cents on June 22nd. It doesn't look like much of a difference between 6 cents and 9 cents, but we'll see where that takes us. So here on the 22nd, this is a 25% jump from the 22nd to the 26th, so 4 days, 25%. Next time on the 28th, we had a 12.5% jump from the 28th to the 30th, which is 2 days. Another 12.5 on the 1st to the 3rd of July. So that was another 2 days. And then this one is a little bigger from July 5th to July, it's like the 11th, we'll call it the 11th, so 6 days at 22.2%. And then finally on the 12th to the 14th, a 2-day turnaround of 11.1%. So looking at these numbers, look very lucrative. So outside of those trading opportunities, see from here to here would be maybe 6 to 8%. Here maybe 3 to 4, 2 to 3 or 2 to 4% for these lows to this high. And same thing here, maybe 2 to 3%. And 2% real low. And maybe 2% again here. So you see a dip here occurring, so this might be a good buy opportunity to get back in as long as it continues to rise. But that remains to be seen. All right, so let's look at the numbers of how much we would earn during these trading opportunities. So 25% with investing $3,000. This would have brought us in $750. That's not bad for this one. Then $375 for this 12.5, so $375. Another 12.5 is another $375. Then you have $666 for this 22.2. And then for 11.1 we have $333. So that came in just under $2,500 for these 23 days with 7 days left to go in a 30-day trading cycle. So that's very lucrative. So far, if I'm not mistaken, this was the best opportunity for trading in this 3-week, this small time frame. Right, and as I mentioned before, 7 days ago, and it's just taking a dip, a quick sell-off might be another buying opportunity to continue gaining throughout the month. So maybe I get a chance to triple your goal of $1,000 in this little 30-day time frame. So Caspa was very lucrative, and we can continue to track it beforehand and after to see if it continues this trend, so we know if we got in, we're getting in a good time. So also let's look at the 15% range for the low and the high. So we'll multiply that by 0.7. So if you didn't get it just right on the head, you still would have got $1,750, which is excellent. So yeah, Caspa was a great opportunity to select for this time period, and hopefully we'll see that again. And if you notice, the price range from 6 cents to 9 cents. So when you're looking at just with a small investment of $3,000, that's still huge jumps. All right, so you make good money, almost doubled your money, might even get there before the end of the month. So, all right, so now let's look at the tokenomics of Caspa, see where it matches up. The current price just almost just under 9 cents at 0.08623. That's down 2% over the week. And it coming in at number 53 is on market cap, which is at a $2.2 billion market cap. 24-hour trading volume is at 111 million. Now the circulating supply is at 26 billion. Now because this coin is mineable, these are being minted through mining. So we're pretty much almost done with the max supply in circulation. So we have about 1.4 billion left. So yeah, so there's a chance that with that happening, and if there's burns or anything like that going on, and Caspa continues to be up around this part of the market, this price can go up significantly. And like I said, because it's mineable, you can get some without buying, but well, I'd say at 8 cents, still not a bad time to buy for long-term investment as well. All right, so if you found this video useful, go ahead and hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Remember, when you subscribe, you receive notifications when new material is posted. And if you haven't done so, if you plan on doing more research or investing in Caspa, put a hashtag KAS in the comments. And if you want to see other other cryptos broken down like this one was the same way, go ahead and hit the rectangle in the middle of your screen. If you want to see what else this channel offers, other playlists, click the circle at the bottom right. All right, so thanks for watching. Take care and have a wonderful day, and we'll see you on the next one.